All right, number 8. This one is similar to 7. We got 2 logs. We're going to combine them to be 1 log on the left-hand side. So we have log base 4 of numerator of x plus 1. Denominator is just going to be x. And that's going to be equal to 3 on the other side. So this time I only have log on one side, so what we want to do is write this in exponential form. So I'm going to move the 4 over. It's going to become the base of this exponent, and the log is going to go away. So that's going to leave us with x plus 1 over x equals 4 to the 3rd power. So this will give us x plus 1 over x equals, this will be 64. I'm going to multiply by x to get rid of the denominator, and that will give us x plus 1 equals 64x. If I were to subtract x, that would get both my x's on the same side, so that would give me 1 equals 63x. And then to get x by itself, we would divide by 63. So that would give me 1 over 63 equals x. So this will be our final answer. 1 over 63 equals x. All right, this one, number 9, wants us to solve the log expression. See if I can just do it on the side. So again, I have 2 logs on the left-hand side, but this time they're being added. So when we add, we can rewrite it as multiplication. They both have the same base. It's understood to be 10. So we get log of x times x minus 1 equals log of 6. All right, so again, both the logs are the same base, so I can ignore the logs and just focus on the argument. So x times x plus x minus 1 is equal to 6. That's the equation I want to solve. I'm going to distribute, so I get x squared, x times a negative 1, negative x equals 6. Again, that looks quadratic, so I'm going to move the 6 over by subtracting it. It's going to give me x squared minus x minus 6 equals 0. Factors of 6 are 1 and 6, 2 and 3. We want to subtract to get 1, so that would be 2 and 3, so this will factor. So split up the x's, add the 2 and the 3. First sign is my bigger number, so that's negative, and they're different. And then when I set these equal to 0, that's going to give me x equals 2 and x equals 3. So again, remember with the logs, you got to check these. So if I were to plug the 2 in to my original problem, if I plug the 2 here, that would be okay. If I plug the 2 here, 2 minus 1, that's okay. Looks good. If I plugged a 3, that would be okay. 3, this would be positive. That's still okay. So both answers appear to work this time. 2 and 3. Oh, they don't like that. Oh, that's because my sign. Sorry. The signs of my terms when I factor, bigger number was negative. They're different. This should be a plus. So actually, when I solve x plus 2, that's my fault. X plus 2, this should give me an x equals a negative 2. So the negative 2 will not work. That's why it's telling me a problem. If it was both positive, they would work. But I did the wrong sign here. So that's why.